The action camera market is about to be turned completely upside down, and if the latest whispers coming out of the industry are even half true, DJI is preparing to drop a bombshell that will leave every competitor scrambling for cover. We aren't just talking about a minor incremental update or a slightly faster processor. We are looking at a fundamental shift in how we capture our world, a device that bridges the gap between professional cinematography and the rugged durability of an action cam. The anticipation for the DJI Osmo Action 7 has reached a fever pitch this May, with leaked schematics and sensor data suggesting that the engineers at DJI have finally cracked the code for perfect low-light performance in a compact form factor. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff at dusk or diving into the dark recesses of an underwater cave and coming away with footage that looks like it was shot on a high-end cinema rig. This is the promise of the 2026 release cycle. And the closer we get to the official unveiling, the more it seems that the traditional boundaries of what an action camera can achieve are being erased. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The core of this revolution starts with a rumored 1-inch sensor upgrade that has been the holy grail for enthusiasts for years. While competitors have struggled with heat management and battery drain when trying to implement larger glass, DJI appears to have developed a proprietary cooling architecture that allows for sustained high bitrate recording without the dreaded thermal shutdown. This isn't just about megapixels. It's about the quality of every single pixel captured. The dynamic range being reported is staggering, offering a level of detail in the shadows and highlights that was previously reserved for cameras 10 times the size. When you combine this with the next generation of RockSteady stabilization, you get a tool that feels less like a camera and more like a Steadicam rig that fits in the palm of your hand. We are seeing reports of a new neural flow stabilization engine that uses real-time AI to predict movement patterns, smoothing out even the most chaotic mountain bike descents or high-speed drone chases with eerie precision. The physical design of the Osmo Action 7 is also seeing a radical departure from a norm, with leaks suggesting a modular lens system that could change the game for creators. Imagine being able to swap out your standard wide-angle lens for a dedicated anamorphic lens or a macro specialized element right in the middle of a shoot. This versatility would make it the ultimate tool for vloggers and documentary filmmakers who need to stay light on their feet without sacrificing creative options. The dual-screen setup, which DJI pioneered, is expected to receive a massive brightness boost and a higher refresh rate, making it usable even under the harshest midday sun in the desert. But the real killer feature might be the integration of internal AI-driven editing metadata. The camera is rumored to automatically tag high-action moments, facial expressions, and even audio peaks, allowing creators to dump their footage into an app and have a polished highlight reel ready for social media in seconds. This eliminates the bottleneck of the editing process, which is often the biggest hurdle for adventure seekers who want to share their experiences in real time. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of the action cam world, but the 2026 leaks point toward a new solid-state battery technology that could double the runtime of previous models. If these reports hold water, we are looking at over 4 hours of continuous 4K recording on a single charge, even in freezing temperatures. This would be a massive win for winter sports enthusiasts and long-distance hikers who can't always find a power source. Furthermore, the charging speeds are said to be astronomical, with a 10-minute top-up providing enough juice for an hour of shooting. Connectivity is another area where DJI is pushing the envelope, with rumors of direct-to-cloud, 6G integration, and high-speed satellite syncing for remote adventurers. You could be in the middle of the Amazon rainforest and still be able to back up your proxy files to the cloud instantly. This level of redundancy and security is something the industry has been begging for, and it seems DJI is finally listening. As we dive deeper into the technical specifications, the internal processing power of the Action 7 is reportedly leaps and bounds ahead of the Action 4 or 5. A custom-designed silicon chip, potentially named the O7 Vision Engine, is at the heart of this device. This chip isn't just processing video, it's interpreting the scene. It can differentiate between skin tones, foliage, and water in real time to apply specific color grading profiles that look natural and vibrant without any post-processing required. For those who do like to color grade, the inclusion of 12-bit D-Log M across all frame rates, including the rumored 4K at 240 frames per second, is a dream come true. This allows for incredibly smooth, slow-motion footage with enough data to push the colors in any direction during the edit. The audio department isn't being ignored either. Leaks suggest a 4-mic array with advanced wind reduction algorithms that use AI to isolate the speaker's voice from ambient noise, potentially making external microphones obsolete for many creators. The implications of these leaks for the wider industry are profound. If the Osmo Action 7 delivers on even 80% of these rumors, it will force a massive shift in market share. We are looking at a device that is rugged enough to be thrown off a building, waterproof to depths that would crush a standard smartphone, and capable of producing imagery that rivals professional mirrorless cameras. The May 2026 timeframe for these leaks is strategic, positioning DJI perfectly for the summer travel season in the US and Europe. Every leaked photo of the prototype shows a sleek, titanium gray finish with a more robust mounting system that appears backward compatible with existing accessories, ensuring that loyal users don't have to rebuild their entire kit from scratch. The buzz in the forums is that this isn't just a camera. It's the centerpiece of a new ecosystem of smart tech that DJI is building. From a pricing perspective, the rumors suggest DJI will remain aggressive. Despite the high-end features, they are aiming for a price point that undercuts the flagship models of their biggest rivals, making it an irresistible proposition for anyone looking to upgrade their gear this year. This premium tech for a competitive price strategy has served them well in the drone market, and applying it to the Osmo Action line could be the final nail in the coffin for less innovative brands. We are also hearing about a pro version of the Action 7 that might include a built-in ND filter wheel, a feature that has never been successfully implemented in a waterproof action camera of this size. If they pull that off, it would be a mechanical marvel and a massive productivity boost for shooters who currently have to faff around with clip-on filters in messy environments.